The Honeywell Carnegie Matte Black Industrial Farmhouse LED Ceiling Fan is a 52-inch fan with an integrated light. This industrial-styled fan features a warm, rustic feel with a matte black finish on the motor housing and Edison-style light bulbs. The Edison bulbs have a clear glass, are dimmable from 100 to 20%, and are surrounded by a wire mesh lending to the trend-setting style. The fan blades are reversible, providing two color options to choose from, including rough pine and chestnut. The fan can be mounted with the included downrod, an angled mount, or a flush mount. The motor is quiet with 3 speeds to choose from and reversible for both downdraft and updraft. For more information or to purchase this product, visit www.honeywellstore.com.